Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video on how to remove and replace the California HOV stickers on a car. So, back in 2017, just for a little bit of context, I knew that we would be removing the white stickers at some point, and I was really concerned about the paint. I didn't want to damage my paint job when came time to remove the stickers. So what a good friend and I did was we purchased the 3M PPF, and so I put that on the car, and it's been holding up great for the entire year, and I'll show you guys that in a second. But basically now the time has come to test whether or not the choice I made over a year ago was wise and whether or not the PPF held up. So let's go do it. Crossing fingers. Okay, so for the purposes of the video, I'm just going to remove one and then hopefully we'll see how this goes. So if you look really closely here, you can see what I did was I actually put the sticker on the film, on the PPF, and then I put the PPF on the car, and it was a really simple process. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove it. Oh, kind of scared, but we'll see. I'll start removing it from this end. Oh boy. I'm really hoping that there's no like silhouette or anything on the car once we remove it. All right, let's continue with this. Okay, almost gone now. And I wanted to show you guys this as I was pulling it off. The actual plastic is coming off of the sticker. This just separates, this entire thing separates from, I don't know, there's something about it, like the white paint will separate from the actual sticker, and this is what gets left behind on your car's paint job, which is really no fun at all. So this is why I highly recommend putting PPF. Honestly, you can barely tell it's there, and it saves your car from paint damage. So let's see if we can grab this whole thing. It's really easier with two hands. Wow. Okay, there we go. Ta-da. Old sticker. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a silhouette around here. That was my biggest fear of like where the where the sticker was. And there's absolutely nothing, which is wonderful. So far so good. I'm so glad I got the PPF, and I bought another batch to put the new stickers on. Okay, so this is the third sticker. And zoom in a little more so you can really see it. This is actually really on there tight. Like I can feel like the plastic of the bumper like pulling away. It's not gonna pull off the bumper, but oh, this film is definitely on there. So you see a couple of the marks here, and ta-da, they are gone. Okay, so that was it. That was how to remove the PPF, and I am so relieved. I'm so happy that the paint job wasn't damaged by the PPF, which is obviously what it's supposed to do. So definitely works as advertised. And this is what it looks like now. These are all three of my stickers, and these are just gonna go in the bin. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go and get the new stickers, the new HOV stickers, and put PPF on them, and then show you guys how I install them on the car so you can see the whole cycle from putting them on to removing them. Okay, so here we go. These are the things that I'm going to need to put on my new HOV stickers. So the first thing we want to do here is to take the HOV sticker itself and put it onto the PPF, and then we're going to cut around the PPF so that the PPF is what clicks clings, sticks, oh my god, I can't talk today, to the paint of the car. So I'm just gonna do one right now. Okay, so this is the red sticker. There we go. So that's one. This guy, just take it off the paper. Oh, so the good thing about PPF too is, in case you screw it up, you can kind of go back a little while and redo that. So let's do these three, and then I'm just gonna use my extra cling film for the other guy. And I'm not actually really doing that amazing of a job right here. I'm just kind of, I'd rather cut out the outline and then do a really good job. Go back in and then do it like for real. Okay, so that is it. 3M film on the back, and then the actual sticker there, and this is good to go for the car. So that's one done. Gonna do the other three now, I can't count. Okay, so that's it. These are all of the stickers, all 4 of them. They all have PPF on the back, and now we are going to go and put them on the car. Okay, so now that we're out here, now that we've done the stickers, put the PPF on the stickers, we're going to install them. The things you're going to need to install the stickers are, first of all, the sticker, a squeegee, basically, one of these squeegee things that you can use to squeeze water out of the sticker. Usually I'm using one that came with my cell phone's screen protector, so I usually keep these, or you can just use a credit card, what have you, to squeegee it out. I also have a bottle, a spray bottle of water with a little bit of shampoo in it to help with the installation process. It's a wet installation process. And I have 2 microfiber cloths. So the first one is my dirty cloth that I'll use to clean and make sure that the surface is absolutely free of dust and any particles before I put on the sticker. And the second one is just a chenille cloth to wipe the moisture away once I'm done completely placing the sticker. First thing we're going to do is make sure, of course, that your car is already clean, nice and clean. Now we're going to put this water on. Just going to install that. So you want to really coat the surface to make sure that your sticker, make sure that your sticker has enough surface area to work with. And then take off the sticker. Yep. Now, place it like so. Double check that the placement is okay. I'm actually going to go out and double check it where it is relative to my other sticker on my other side, because I'm a little bit I'm a stickler like that. I want to double check that they look good from the back. So I'm just going to make that guy hang out here. You can put a little bit more, just never hurts. And then I'm just going to be right back and double check. Okay, the one on my other side is a little bit lower, so whoa, wow. Well, that's how to show that the sticker can be easily moved. So as long as it's wet, you can kind of move it a little bit. Okay, I think we are good with the placement. So once you have confirmed that the placement of the sticker is where you want it, just squeegee out the excess moisture. There we go. And then use the cloth just to wipe up any extra. And squeegee it some more, just to make sure. Okay, so once you've squeegeed out all the moisture and wiped all the moisture from the surrounding area, the PPF usually takes, in my experience, about an hour to really stick and make sure that, everything is hunky-dory there. So you can dry it right away, obviously, but if I were you, I would wait about an hour before really taking it out, just to make sure that everything is nice and clean and dried on there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a really easy process, and I feel like the peace of mind that it gives you and the safety to not ruin your paint when you remove the sticker is really worth it. So, take the 30 minutes or so to do this process. I hope that my video was helpful to you guys, and if you have any questions or comments, just drop me a line in the section below. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys have a great day, and thanks so much for watching.